Hello, in this video I'll show you how to add 4K plus on YouTube TV. Now it's extremely easy process. So what you do is firstly simply open your browser and then open a YouTube TV. Now in YouTube TV you will find a lot of features like you will be able to view 4K content and unlimited content streams at home, and you will also be able to view DVR recording offline for available content. But this feature will only be available in YouTube TV mobile application. So I'm just going to keep that in mind. Now, in order to use or get YouTube 4K, what you have to do is you have to go back to your account. Then click on your profile right over here. After that, click on the settings option right over here. Now, once you're inside the settings page, what you have to do is you have to first simply click on 4K. Now, you can only see the 4K plan if you already have an existing plan on YouTube TV. If you haven't signed up for YouTube TV yet, you have to click on sign up right over here. And then you have to pick one of the plans given over here. Then just click on next. Then you can add more plans if you want to, or you can just simply click on checkout right over here. And after you've completed the checkout process, you will be able to view the YouTube TV 4K plan. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.